Got another antique for you. Let this thing get nice and hot. All right, Adam, this one's for you. So we got an older John Deere with the Kawasaki in. These engines are absolutely bulletproof, especially when taken care of. And they have a great oil drain plug, unlike the new ones. So we're gonna get this thing right and running good, so that way it'll last Adam a long time. Spark plug's hot as shit right now. Go in with a new BPR 5 ES. A new BPR 5 ES. Going down the hatch. Brand new air filter in this thing so it can breathe. And I guess we'll give this one a new fuel filter too. Why not? Get our oil drain back in. And then we'll go back in with our finest oil, 1.4 quarts. Now this engine doesn't have an oil filter, so don't have to worry about changing that out. Okie dokie. I'm getting really tired, so the chair is really nice. All right, so we're gonna finish blowing this thing off, giving it a good wash, inflating the tires. This last part's for Adam, so if you're not Adam, you can finish the video now. So Adam, everything's looking good. Everything's in good shape. The only thing I might recommend, maybe at the end of the season, is some new rim bushings or wheel bushings. They're a little wobbly, but you should be able to get through the rest of the season with them. But everything else looks good. Belts look good. Engine sounds good. Looks good. You've done a good job on this machine, so keep it up. And yeah, I'll have it back to you in a couple days. Thanks, bud. All right, I'm going to pull another one in. Just keep cranking along. Thanks for watching.